Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll walk you step by step through the process of registering a domain on Namecheap and then connecting that domain to system.io. So let's get started. So I've already got a domain name that I'm going to register, and it's funnelcraftacademy.com, and let's just make sure that's available. And as we can see, that's available. So I'm just going to go ahead and purchase that domain, and then we'll come back and continue from here. So there we go. I've purchased the domain. So let's jump into system.io. Now go ahead and log into the dashboard, and on the right hand side, go to your profile, click on settings, and then go to custom domains. So click on your profile picture, go to settings, and then we need to go down to custom domains. And this is where you add your custom domain. And as you can see, I've already got a couple there. So what we need to do now is click on add domain. And then we'll just add the site that I've purchased. And if we go back to Namecheap, we'll just copy and paste that, funnelcraftacademy.com, and we'll copy and paste that into our domain name. Now, with system.io, you need to add the www at the beginning. So it'll be www.funnelcraftacademy.com. Then hit save. System.io will now give you some DNS records to copy. Now keep this tab open because we'll use those in a second. And now we need to head back over to Namecheap. So on the menu here, we've just purchased our domain. We need to click on Manage. And then we need to click on the Advanced DNS tab. And now it's time to add the records that system.io gave us. So the first thing we need to do is go down and add a new record. And as you can see, we've got a lot of records to choose from here, and we need a CNAME record. And the host is www, and the target is the target put in here. So we've got www there, and we just need to put that in there. So if we copy and paste that as the target, and then add that, and that's done for you. So we've got a CNAME record, www. And as you can see in here, we've got www.funnelcraftacademy.com. We don't need to put all that in the case of Namecheap. All we need to do is put in the www bit. And as you can see, www there, and it points to cloudfront.net, which is one of the CNAME records that system.io have given us. Now we need to add another CNAME record. So we copy and paste this one. Go to Namecheap, add a new record. Go to CNAME, the host, paste the host in. Is the one we've already copied. And as before, when we add this CNAME value here, we only need the bit before funnelcraftacademy.com. Other registrars may require the full value, but with Namecheap, we just require this bit here, the bit before funnelcraftacademy.com. The same as we added www, just www on the first value. On the second value, we just need to paste that bit there. And the target, we need to copy and paste this one and place that in the target, and then click on add. So there you go, we've added the two CNAME records, www and the other one, and we've given it these long things here, pasted those in. So that's the two records added. So we can now close that down, and now we're just waiting for validation. So we need to come back in a few minutes. This could take anywhere between a few minutes up to an hour. So what we'll do now is we'll just wait and see for that to verify, and I'll just pause the video and we'll come back and look at that in a second. Okay, so we're back, and that took about half hour to register. And as you can see, I've got funnelcraftacademy.com and it's now ready to use. So if I go into sites and blogs, just to prove this and set up a new blog, what we can do now is I can drop that down, and we've got the Funnelcraft Academy domain available to use. So that's how we add a custom domain from Namecheap and add it to system.io. And here's a bonus for you. System.io will automatically issue an SSL certificate once it's verified. So your domain will show up as secure with HTTPS. Now, if this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more step-by-step tech tutorials. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'm always happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.